Hello, this is 7-4. Now we're learning the triangle proportionality theorem, which says basically if you have two parallels, BE and CD, then with that, on the line AC, AB divided by BC will equal AE divided by ED. So it's just the two separate parts of the line. So in a problem, we have that PT is equal to 7.5, so I'll label that 7.5. And TQ is 3. We have SR is 2.5. SR is down here. And we don't know PS, so I'm going to just call it PSX. We have to find it. So all you do, and I think this is a little easier than what we were doing before. I'm not going to try the stamp tool today. You just set the sides equal and stuff. For instance, we have side PQ. So PT 7.5 divided by TQ, which is 3, is going to equal PS, which is X, divided by SR, which is 2.5. So you're doing the longer side divided by the small side equals the opposite longer side divided by the small side. You're going to cross multiply, which we've done a lot, or do the cross product, which that'll be 3x is going to equal a number which is there. It's 18.75. Divide by 3, and you get x equal to 6.25, which also equals PS. So that's kind of how you do it. You just keep the sides in the same proportion, basically. So going on, the converse of that, if the two sides are equal to each other, then the lines are parallel. So in the picture, we have AE divided by EB. Again, the same side is equal to CD divided by DB. That means the line will be parallel. So we have to figure out if the lines are parallel this time. So to start off, we would have FH over EH has to equal FG divided by DG. So we know EH and HF is going to be 3 divided by 9, which is going to reduce to 1/3. So now we need FG and GD to be 1/3. It says that DG is 1/3 the length of GF. So in another way, that's saying that, let's just say DG is X. So we're going to write out DG divided by FG divided by DG. So if FG is 3 times or 1/3 the length of DG, then FG is actually 3x. I think I did this backwards. Oops. So, I did it right. Oh. This should be switched. Just kidding. So 9 divided by 3, so it's going to be 3 over 1, or 3. So going with this one, if DG is 1/3 of GF, then GF is 3 times as large as DG, and DG would just be X. So this is also FG divided by DG. And if you remember, if you were to take 3x and divide it by x, the x's would go away, so that would be just left with 3 over 1. So they're both 3 over 1s, which means yes, they are parallel. That was fun. We have the triangle mid-segment theorem, and all this says is if there's a mid-segment and it's parallel, which means it's a mid-segment, and J and K are the midpoints, then JK, the middle part, is equal to half of the bigger part. Or the flip side, FG is double JK. And there's some words here. That's good. A mid-segment triangle is a segment with endpoints that are midpoints. You can put 3 inside a triangle. That does fun stuff. There's a theorem about it. We'll do that stuff later, but not right now. I'm going to do XZ. You're going to do ST and angle RYX. So to do XZ, if you remember, XZ is the little part. The little part in the middle is going to equal half of the big part. So 0.5 or half of RT. We have RT, so RT is equal to 13. So half of 13 is just 6.5. And that's all you do. That's XZ. So try ST and angle RYX. RYX might be a little harder, but you can do it. Good job, people. Now we have proportional parts of parallel lines. In these parts, all it's saying is that it's kind of like the thing we just did. The left side, AB over BC, is going to equal the right side, EF over FG. So we have to find X and Y. I'm going to find X. You'll find Y. No, I'm going to find Y. Y is easier. So, actually, they're the same. All you do, they have little lines there, so they're equal. And it's going to equal 3y plus 8 is going to equal 5y. Solve for y using math skills. And y is going to equal, oh, they didn't make it nice. It's going to equal 15 over 2 or 7.5. I want you to try x. We can go over that in class. But a little special thing, if the bottom parts are both equal, that would mean the top parts are both equal as well. You can do that. This one, it's kind of a giveaway for what I just did. It's just the same thing. 7x minus 2 is going to equal 4x plus 3, because again, if the right side's equal, they're both 8, then the left side's going to be equal, so that's not bad. Solve for x. X is equal to a number 5/3. Right? Yeah. And, oh, that's it. Did I miss something? Oh, wow, that was fun. Good job, people. I'll post stuff.